y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be putting together this Fisher Price. It's a comfy and supportive sit me up food seat. So like we do everything, we're going to put it together without instructions, okay? Okay, so let's get started.
Wow, these pieces cool. The top, I think it's a teasing.
Yeah, we got one part.
Y'all.
So now this part goes on this side. Kyle, wake up. I guess he's sleepy.
He cried a lot. He should be sleeping.
So this is gonna go on that.
While she's building, I'm trying to figure out how to open this. So I got one piece out.
These you just attach them to the side of this little round thing. So after that, these I do believe. Oh, I just hit my shin. I do believe these go right here, or not.
I think I know where I'm going.
Or they do. Oh, or they go right here. Oh, okay. So then once you got this together, these little side pieces, you'll have two of these. You just gonna boom like this.
But you know what to do?
Boom.
I don't know how.
And then you have your other piece. And you're just gonna
Hop it on.
boom.
Then that calls.
And then once you have them on, they overlap, right? You have to overlap
And this
and click
is.
them. Boom.
I think this is a ladybug. I don't know what this is.
I think it's like a flower.
Yeah, it could
Or the sun. I think it's the sun.
Oh, it's a.
I don't know what it is actually.
But it's the flower because sun's really yellow.
Yeah, yeah, it is.
And look, I think this is a bee or a butterfly.
Yeah, I think it's me.
No, it's a butterfly because look, bees have stingers on their arms.
Alright, so then once you push those together, you have this. Oh, did I almost hit you? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, girl.
And we have this high facial.
Go back a little bit.
Yeah.
And hand me that other piece.
I'm not even okay. What's this?
Oh, get out of here. So,
Who, me?
no. Not you. So these little pieces, they just snap together like this. I put them like that, but I didn't think it would actually go like that, but I think it does. Yeah, it does.
We almost done.
And then you want to attach this to the back of it somehow.
I'm not getting the instructions.
You just push it down like this.
I got the instructions thing though. I'm not getting the instructions. I'm trying to.
Yeah, we don't need the instruction now. So once you got everything put together, you just want to make sure everything is together for real, for real. You don't want your baby falling through it.
Really?
And then this goes in like,
I think this is the little pieces. It says Fisher Price. We got,
alright, and
so we got two of these.
oh, let me see those. Yeah, those on the sides. Girl, I forgot about those. Wait. I think that's the wrong one. You gotta kind of push them in.
Yeah. But we need to put. almost done.
Let me see.
How much?
No, you gotta like push it in. Like, hold on.
I think it goes to the side.
Oh, there we go. So look, these little things, they have Fisher Price on them. You have to do like bend it and push it in. The thicker one, the thicker piece goes on the bottom. So like that.
Boom.
And now you gotta add the little toys to it.
Yeah, I can't do it. But
let's take this off.
because we don't want our baby eating it or choking on it.
He gonna like this, Kai. He's sleep, y'all, but we about to wake him up. You have the other one?
Yes.
Okay, so
Get this. Get these instructions out of here. We don't need that no more. We done.
that, just like that.
I don't know what's this for.
This is for all the parents who don't want to read instructions, because I never want to read instructions.
Because it's too boring. Because it's too boring and lame.
Yes.
Ow, my legs.
You good?
Yeah, so we done all this homework. We did the tree.
So wait.
Yeah. We should get something to eat because we done homework around the house.
Okay, something has to. Oh, so it has little holes right here in the thing, right? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. You have 4 little holes right here too. What you do is you'll bring it around and kind of like
Put it
in the holes, so that when your baby sits down, it don't go like that.
like this, guys. I don't know.
Yeah, you have to like pull it around it, and then you'll fill the holes.
Oh, yeah.
You feel it?
At the end, so it won't go like boom.
And then this, you have 3 little holes there to just push it in.
Oh, you can push it in.
Yeah.
Okay. Boom. We done.
So this is also, you're supposed to be able to fold it so that you can just store it away. So to
Start it away. You just press the.
yep, you press it. We're gonna press it at the same time.
3, 2, 1. Oh.
You ain't pressing hard enough. Press it like, there you go. So to let it down, now press it. Press it like this. Press it with your hands. Yeah. You just let it down like this.
Oh, you can't, your baby, don't play your
And then-
baby like that.
You can press it like this, and then you can just store it in the closet like that.
And guys, if you don't know what you're doing, just make sure just read the instructions because you don't know what you're doing. So, thank you for watching.
Wait, we're not done. And then like also for the back of the thing, it has those same little clips that's on the front. I don't know if y'all can see it, but just wrap it around and clip it. Kai.
God, wake up. Okay. You don't tell me like I wake up. Should we get something to eat? Because we did all this homework.
I'm not hungry. Are you hungry? What you want to eat?
I don't know.
You like it? You like it, Kai? Do you like it? You like your Fisher Price toy?
Look, it's a vlog. Dun, 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 dun. It's a vlog.
You like it? Alright, y'all. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
And click the bell.
And click the notification bell below. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Say bye, Kai. Say bye.
He doesn't want me to say bye, guys.
He don't want to say bye.